Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Misuse of a provision or its possibility of abuse is no ground to declare Section 499 IPC as unconstitutional. If a provision of law is misused or abused, it is for the legislature to amend, modify, or repeal it if deemed necessary. Mere possibility of abuse of a provision cannot be a ground for declaring a provision procedurally or substantively unreasonable. The law relating to defamation was enacted regard being had to the diversity in the society, and it also, as on today, acts as a reasonable restriction and fulfills the purpose behind Section 44 IPC. The issue of free speech and right to reputation and the arguments regarding the constitutional validity of the provision must be considered in the context of the social climate of a country. The social climate takes in its sweep the concept of social stability. The term harm is not defined in the IPC and must be given its ordinary dictionary meaning, but what is important is that it must be illegally caused. There is no distinction in the IPC between harm to body, mind, reputation, or property. When the legislature has treated defamation as an offense regarding being had to the social balance, there is no justification to declare it ultra vires. The mere fact that the offense under Section 499 IPC is non-cognizable or that the complainant can only be some person aggrieved does not create an arbitrary distinction of it being an offense of a private charter as opposed to an offense against society. There are numerous offenses which are not cognizable, but that does not mean that the said category of offenses are private acts, for harm being caused to a person is the subject of focus of offenses under the Penal Code. Section 199 CRPC adds as restriction limiting filing of a complaint by some person aggrieved, and a person aggrieved is to be determined by the courts in each case according to the fact situation. The words some person aggrieved and exception to has been the subject of much deliberation by the courts, and it is not a vague concept. Section 199 CRPC mandates that the magistrate can take cognizance of the offense only upon receiving a complaint by a person who is aggrieved. This limitation on the power to take cognizance of defamation serves the purpose of discouraging filing of frivolous complaints which would otherwise clog the magistrates' courts. The collection of persons is not a vague concept. The said body has to be an identifiable group in the sense that one could with certainty say that a group of particular people has been defamed as distinguished from the rest of the community. Establishment of identity of the collection of people is absolutely necessary in relation to the defamatory imputations, and hence it is reasonable. Stop.